Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to remove those this is the LG drum, and this is the washing machine. Those are the baffles. So this is the old one that the LG technician replaced. Okay, you can see all the dirtiness around the edges. So there's a Phillips screwdriver down there that you need to unscrew. And I'm going to use my the Walt drill, power drill. And it is a Phillips screw, about that short. So after you unscrew it, you need to remove those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those black plastic ball joint and slide upward. You might want to use a plastic prying tool to jam it upward. And you see those clip right here. That's why you need to slide up, to yank it up. And you need to do all 3 of them. And this is the second one. So after removing all 3 of them, now we're going to take it out. There's screws on the outside. There's a screw outside right here on each of the baffle that you need to unscrew, and that's how you remove it. Wow, stainless steel, so there's some rust. And by the way, you could resell this. A lot of people use this as a fire pit when they go camping and stuff like that, or they use it out their backyard. And all they need to do is just using those existing holes right there to put like a pole as a stand. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove that. Okay, pretty long. By the way, we need to unscrew the two at the screw on the bottom that's mounting the spider support bracket for the drum. Wow, by the way, the spider support bracket, it is broken. That's what caused the machine to shake and then damage the rubber gasket. It's because initially I was thinking either the bearing was bad or the spider bracket was bad. So I was correct, because this will cause the drum to not turn or spin evenly. You see the crack open right there? Oh my goodness. So I believe the technician did a bad troubleshooting. Didn't have to buy the drum because this is stainless steel, which is not supposed to go bad. Because when I was turning when I was troubleshooting, I could hear like a good noise. So look at that, this crack. So this is the shaft that goes to the bearing. So, and then there's a bolt that goes up there from the back. So yeah, in order to remove the baffles, you need to remove those two screws on the bottom for this. It's called a spider support bracket, or the drum support bracket. Okay, those are the 10 millimeter socket that you need to use to remove it. Wow, pretty long bolt. Oh, wow, look at that. Broken. No wonder. Look at this. That is so crazy. So now you could remove the baffle by sliding upward. Okay, let me remove this. See, those are the original screw bolt on the bottom. And after you remove it, that's what it looks like. So unfortunately, you need to bend those two tabs and yank it out. One down there. can use like a small flathead screwdriver to yank it up because it's guarding against the plastic baffle. And now it should be able to slide up. There you go. Wow, look at all those dirtiness from the detergent or the buildups. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Turn on the bell for notification or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.